Hi, welcome to CHS demonstration of partnered inputs. I'm Aaron Euland from our CHS Rochester business unit, and with me I have Steve Meisch from our Elburn business unit. Partnered inputs is a joint program between grain and agronomy. It's as easy as giving a firm offer for grain in order to get a discount per unit of input on agronomy products. And keep in mind that you can keep the agronomy credit even if the grain offer does not fill. Steve's going to walk us through an example of how the program works.
Okay, thank you, Aaron. Yep, I'm over on the left side of your screen here under the example. On this example, our product purchased is going to be fertilizer. Now you can do this like it's labeled with your dry fert, 32%, and or fungicide in the summertime here. So in this example, we used fertilizer. We're going to be purchasing 100 units of fertilizer. On this example, we're going to be doing it on 1,000 acres of corn with an annual APH of 200 bushels per acre. Now, the reason we figure 200 bushels an acre and a max offer of 40,000 on that is we do not want you to go over 20% of your annual production in a program like this. We want to have room for you to market some more grain and spread your risk a little bit more if the market were to move higher. So we do not recommend you put more than 20% in a program like this. So the max offer it spits out is 40,000 bushels. And in this example, we're going to be doing 20,000 bushels. And this working spreadsheet is what we will bring out to you, the producer, with your grain and agronomy guide to calculate some cost of savings for you. So if you go down to the March of 21, we are going to pick the 380 March 21 with an offer date of February 19th, 2021. Now that offer date is the only date that matters in your firm grain offer. That will be the difference between if it gets picked up or if it does not fill. In this example, it's giving you $21 off per unit on your fertilizer. Now we also offer this with beans as well, with a wide variety of options and offers to pick from. Aaron, would you like to go into a little bit more on the grain offer portion of it?
Yep, thanks, Steve. So if we're on the grain side of things, so Steve walked us through how do we get the agronomy discount per unit. But on the grain side, we have that firm offer for 380 March 21 futures. And this little graph on the right side kind of describes visually describes what's going on with the offer. There's two different scenarios here. And we have our pricing date out here on February 19th, 2021. If on that day, the March futures are at or above 380, which you can see is marked by this line. If it closes at or above 380, you have a new hedge to arrive contract. If the board closes below 380 on February 19th of 2021, the firm offer goes away, but you still have grain committed to CHS. At that point, your grain originator will work with you to determine the best way to market that grain. It could be delivered to the elevator and fall on a different type of contract such as basis or DP, or you could set the hedge to arrive that day and work with it going forward. There's a lot of different options to work through here if that firm offer does not fill on February 19th. Steve, is there anything else I missed there?
No, I think that pretty much covers it. That sounds great. I would just like to add, if you have any questions, by all means, contact your grain person or your agronomy salesman. It's a team effort coming to see you guys, our producers, and giving you these quotes. It's just a great added value that CHS brings to our producer owners. That's all I have, Aaron.
Okay. Thank you for joining us for this demonstration of partnered inputs.
Thank you.